Hey, how you doing? I'm with Big Dave's Handyman Services.
Thank God you're here. Come on in.
Okay, thank you.
I appreciate you getting here so quickly. Come on in and just follow me. The master bathroom's over this way.
Okay, sure.
Just fine for a few minutes, and then all of a sudden it just stopped working.
Okay, I'll take a look at it.
The shower, it's right over here. And as you see, I'm getting no water whatsoever. Can you fix it?
Okay, yeah, I'll take a look and see what I can do.
All right. Well, while you're trying to figure that out, I'm embarrassed. I'm like half naked here. So I'm gonna go put something on while you look at this, okay?
Okay.
Thanks.